I wore blue today because the Los Angeles Dodgers are playing the New York Yankees, okay, and they're quite a rivalry. That's a hard word to say. Ready? Rivalry. Holy moly, I said it, I think, without screwing up. Going back to the 70s, I grew up born and raised in Santa Barbara, California. So the Los Angeles Dodgers, they've been a big part of my life since the 70s. And God, with Reggie Jackson and Ron Say and Steve Garvey and God, Yankees and Dodgers have so many famous baseball players, but what a great lineup. Friend or foe, you either love or not the Yankees and the Dodgers as well. But oh man, it's just so great. Dodgers are my favorite. Tonight's game, if Dodgers win, they're going to take the World Series. Because right now the Yankees, boy, they kind of messed up the first three games. They lost all three. Then they won yesterday, and tonight, if the Dodgers win, that's it. They're going to win in Yankees' own stadium and then fly back to LA and get with the smog and the traffic and celebrate with real bad air. Okay? But go Dodger Blue. I'm a big fan of the Dodgers, and congrats to Yankees too. It's tough to go to the World Series because there's 7,000 games per season, unlike football, and some other sports. But oh my gosh, to get to the World Series, you got to literally play 7 million games to get there. Okay. I like to storytell. And it's one reason I think why I'm successful and live good. Every day people contact me either through email, YouTube video, maybe they're text my cell phone or just kind of yell across the way, my neighbors. Cory, how do you get attention? How do you get traffic? How do you get people to click something, to watch something, to buy something? Well, bright blue. This kind of jumps off. Okay, so if I'm going like this and you're scrolling, you're going to probably stop and go, what the hell's on his walls? Guy, he sure has a lot of bright blue on. But there's tricks, little secrets. There's things that I do to make people stop and hopefully look and listen and realize that, hey, if you want an opportunity that might just work out that you can afford, let's listen to this Cory guy. Okay? I don't talk super fast like if I'm hosting a radio show. I like to just sit back, lean back, kick back, usually have a drink in my hand, and I just pretend we're just sitting at the pool. We're sitting at the beach watching the sun set in Margaritaville. Okay? There's no rush. With Live Good, relax. If someone's telling you to grind and hustle and bustle, yuck. Don't sit by them at the pool. And they sure in the hell ain't going to be in my realm. Okay? When I'm in my realm, what I mean is, man, I'm just at the pool and I'm working on my tan and I want to relax a little bit and go over what's the best approach. How should I do, let's say, posts on Instagram or TikTok? How should I maybe do a video like Cory does? He just sits back with a webcam, or maybe he gets his Pop-Tart shaped cell phone and records maybe for 5 to 10 minutes. Take notes, get a light to light your face up a little bit. How do you email? How do you do all of these things? Okay. It's taken me a year, and I've been only doing this a year and a half, but I want my income at 17.5 to 20 grand a month. Okay. And I've hit those numbers already. And that's with or without Live Good. Because I have other systems, techniques, and tools that people like to buy and use, not only for Live Good. That's why I'm not the biggest fan with Apple and iPhone, because it's iTunes, iPod, iPad, Apple. It's just you can't really branch out. And no offense to all the people that love the Apple phones, but I like to branch out and do other stuff just besides Live Good. Okay? I might want to do another business that has nothing to do with getting healthy, with some pretty cool stuff that's on my fridge over here you might be able to see on my little mini fridge. Okay? If you have a gym, maybe you want to sell Live Good products. Maybe you just want to buy wholesale and not sell a darn thing. You just want to rock and roll and save money. There's nothing wrong with that. But sooner or later, you're going to find somebody, it could be your husband, your wife, your friend, your pet giraffe in the backyard, that probably wants to do something online that might get some money in their pocket. It is enjoyable. And I got to admit, when I sit on this darn chair that I bought that's made for video game racing, was it GTR racing? I got one of those seats where kids play video games for 12 hours. And it is pretty cool. I'll tell you what, I like this chair. But I had no idea I'd be successful just inviting people to click a link, watch short videos, and then they, in the comfort of their own home, in their own pajamas in bed, because a lot of people lay in bed and just have their phones up to their face. Some people just lay on the couch with a laptop on their stomach. Some people have a desk like I have right now with a bunch of computer screens in front. It almost looks like oh God, the space shuttle of the 747. One day I'll take you around my radio station here and film. You'll see all the nonsense on the walls. But I like to just sit with a table in front of me where I can put a drink, put some papers and pens, and have a bunch of screens on so I can look at notes and see what activity's going on out there. If I do a live Zoom or a training or whatnot, it's just kind of fun to have a presentation where I can just sit back and relax and look at notes. If I lose my place, no big deal. I just look down, look off to the side, reel myself back in. But one of the most successful things that I do to get signups is just be myself and story tell a little bit. Talk about how I got addicted to Hot Wheels. How did I get a Wonder Woman doll and make a Paul Stanley Kiss t-shirt for her? As creepy as that is cool. Okay. And the more that people get to know you, and I mean like online, I always say, don't give out your social security number and your home phone number, your cell number, your home address. Okay. But if you're going to do a video, tell people this is where I'm from. I love these sports. I like basketball, football, and Dodger blue. Maybe you want to talk about your past experience. I've failed, and I hate the word fail. Maybe you just put some time and effort into other businesses over the last 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 years. For some reason, they were a fad, or they just didn't work out. And by that, I mean they just didn't make you money. 90% of the reason why people don't sell things online is I don't think they really believe they can do it when they start. They do watch videos and set up videos, but at the end of the day, they know they can always quit and move on to another business. And you get those false hopes. You get that shiny ball syndrome. It is fun to chase that shiny ball. All right? Just not mine. Okay? Mine are safe and sound, and they're not shiny right now. Okay? Just relax. You can do Live Good. You can do the other opportunities that I do, because all of them complement Live Good. Everything that I sell, and I have 6 incomes online, they 100% complement Live Good. And by that, I mean they give you education. They give you ideas, trends. They will tell you how to do exactly something if that's what you're searching for. There's a lot of information and training. Okay? If you want to know how to email, no problem. You on a budget? Don't worry about it. We don't do high ticket sales in my group. Everything that I do is affordable, and it is all designed to get your money back fast. You need to do other things besides just recruit for Live Good. You're only going to make $25. And if you only sign up 5 to 10 people a month, guys, a couple $100 is okay. But you're going to put more time and energy in than you'd like to produce $200. You can just go get a part-time job for $10 an hour, work 10, 20 hours, and you know what you're going to make. But I need you. I want you to make more money than $25 here, $25 there. Okay? And you can do it. You just need more things for sale that make sense for those that want to succeed and live good, or at least a business that's online. Okay? We're going to get into the software and the tool and the systems business, because Live Good is a membership-based website. When all those products sell, we do not profit. Live Good does. When you're an affiliate and you're just a big cheerleader telling people to look into the opportunity as an affiliate, that's how I get my pay. Okay? $10 a month, awesome. People pay $40 one time, cool. You're an affiliate for life. Live Good is extremely affordable, but it's based on a slow burn syndrome. A little bit of money to get going. It's not offensive and expensive. Take your time and learn how to recruit. And to me, I think it's rather easy. Just invite people to a link. Joincory.com. I just did it. And I didn't go to school on how to be a salesman or a salesperson, saleswoman. All right? I don't know what. I'm just not a sales guy. Okay? But I'm good at just talking and storytelling. All right? I made these business cards at Vistaprint, joincory.com. I got it, GoDaddy. And right now, if you want to click the link, great. If you want to join, awesome. If not, hey, see you later, alligator. It was nice to meet you. You don't have to be offensive and crazy and desperate when you promote. Okay? And gosh, if you don't mind talking about your favorite baseball team or maybe your favorite recipe or a car that you always wanted, maybe a Lego kit you want to buy for Christmas. These dang Lego kits are more, that Lego kit of the space shuttle is more than the real space shuttle. All right? Christmas is expensive. You need extra money. Okay? The holidays, very expensive. If you get sick and you have to take work off, ouch. Okay? And the cost of living, guys, I don't know if it's ever going to go down. I don't know if housing is ever going to go down. But if you look at trends, life gets more expensive when you get older. It just does. And it sucks, but it's just the way it's going to be. At least we get to get up and get older. That's a pretty good thing because a lot of people can't. So rest in peace to all those that are now resting. Okay? But just relax. The way that I do business, everything that you join, I have designed it to where you get your money back fast. This is not a long, slow burn like LIVEGOOD. I can't wait. With this Santa beard and me being born in the 60s, mid-60s, by the way, not the late 60s, I don't have time. I'm damn near 60 years old. I'm not going to college, city college. I'm not sitting next to people that are 40 years younger than me talking about he, she, they, him, it, all the stuff that I just keep hearing about right now from college kids. Just please spare me to the max. That is my 70s and 80s phrases that are coming out of this old body of mine, okay? But guys, relax. Sit down, take notes. I want you to do baby steps. I want you to go to joincory.com and let's just get you in LIVEGOOD first. If you don't want to join, don't worry about it, but I sure hope you do. And then from there, I'm going to email you a whole bunch of cool stuff about what exactly I do. I don't sell my information. I've had plenty of people get a hold of me. Even this afternoon, I had a gentleman that wants to have a meeting with me. Yesterday, I had somebody that kind of got mad at me because I didn't have information to sell. They want me to do like is it Kindle or where you just download stuff and you give advice. I don't do that. I do it for free on this channel. I do it for free on my Facebook page. I don't want to sell information. I just want to storytell and tell you what I do. And the systems or the software, that hammer, if you're a construction worker, I want you to have a tape measure and nails and a hammer and smack the crap out of things and get good pay, guys. That's what I want you to do with your online business. Because if you can do the same effort to make $25 like LIVEGOOD, guys, it's the same effort to make $100, $200 to $5,000. I'm doing it right now. I honestly believe you can do it because I am fortunate enough to spend over the last year to make videos, learn how to email properly, learn how to talk to people to where hopefully they'll just relax and just click a link. And that's all I do now, guys. So I'm practicing what I'm preaching. I'm living and breathing what I am telling you guys, okay, to look into. Just humbly inviting you to watch a link. Okay, so let's just start in baby steps. Joincory.com. Watch that 6-minute video. Then I want you to just watch one other. Okay, you ready? PleaseWatchVideo.com. I know you can do it. And that one's a fun video. That one's produced. It's about 20 minutes long. Joincory.com, that video is only 6 minutes. But take a half hour and just watch both videos. I did, and I'm glad I did. Boy, am I glad I did. Because I almost blew it off. I'm going to be honest. When it comes to anything online, I like to play solitaire and look at cars for sale on ebaymotors.com. But I have not been an online business guy ever. Ever. Okay, I've only been doing this a year and a half, but I'm kicking massive butt, and it's fun. I think this is fun, and I know you will too, especially if you make it fun, and if you start making a couple bucks, guys, you're going to dig it. You're going to dig it. Okay. All right. That's enough. 15 minutes. That was my goal. You guys get a hold of me if you need something. Go to my YouTube channel, bookmark it, subscribe to it. Do the same thing with my Facebook page. And you get a hold of me if you need something. I'm your boy. Okay. I'm going to help you out. Let's do it. Shake. High five. Elbow. You got it. All right, kids. You got your homework. Joincory.com and pleasewatchvideo.com. I'll have the links to both right below the video, by the way. All right, peace and love. We'll talk to you guys next video. Bye, guys. Bye.